Park. And the race is on. Final judgment, running by Doral Racing on the outside, She's Gorgeous, Airway, Dragon May, and running by Doral is Arrowhead, Pearl of the Orient is the early trailer. Back to the front runner, final judgment by half a length, followed by the outstanding favorite, and this one Airway from the outside, running by Doral is Arrowhead, and Dragon May on the outside, She's Gorgeous, and Pearl of the Orient. Now, the course of the wind has been altered with the outstanding favorite, Airway, grabs the lead from final judgment, Arrowhead, Dragon May, and racing by the rally's Pearl of the Orient. And rounding the far turn, it's Airway by about 2 lengths now, final judgment, Dragon May racing on the outside, Arrowhead, Pearl of the Orient, She's Gorgeous, as they swing from the outstanding favorite, Airway by about 4 lengths now, and racing on the outside is final judgment, Dragon May, Pearl of the Orient, and nearing the finish line, I think the icebreaker, the outstanding favorite, number 3, Airway. Second, Pearl of the Orient, Dragon May, final judgment, Arrowhead, She's Gorgeous, completing the cast of this race.